Hello children, class 7th physics, physical quantity and measurement, part 2. Today we will discuss about measurement of volume of an irregular object, volume of liquids, area and measurement of area of an regular shape. Volume of an irregular object. What is an irregular object? An object that does not have regular or definite shape is known as irregular object. Example: stone, screw, keys, etc. Why did the volume of an irregular object cannot be measured directly by formula? Because its length, breadth and height are different in different places. Volume of an irregular object can be measured by an indirect method by noting down the amount of water it displaces when it is put in water. So volume of an irregular object measured through the measuring cylinder. Demonstrations of finding the volume of an irregular object. Here we took one stone and 2 glasses of water, that is 100 ml both the glass. Now we tie the stones with the thread and slowly we drop the stone on the glass of water. What we observe? Before both the water levels are same. So here one glass is half glass of water, but when we put the stone in this glass, that time the water level increased till here. So the increasing level of water in a glass is the volume of an irregular object. So when we put out the stone, again the water level is remains same. So once again we put down in the water. Again the water level is increased. So whatever the volume of an stone, that is the increasing level of water denoted the volume of an irregular stone. So we can measure the volume of an irregular object with a measuring cylinder. Here the measuring cylinder in a figure. So first when we take the water, 50 ml of water in a measuring cylinder. After that we drop the stone, tie with the thread. Then the water level increased till 80 ml. Before it is the 50 ml, now it is 80 ml. So volume of a stone is 80 ml minus 50 ml, that equal to 30 milliliter. So this like we able to measure the volume of key or your screw or different stone. Archimedes principle. Definition: the amount of water displaced by an object equal the volume of a solid. So displacing water to measure the volume of a solid is known as the Archimedes principle. Capacity. Capacity is the total space available inside a container, or inner volume of a container is called its capacity. So now we discuss about relations between liter, milliliter and meter square. 1000 liter equal to 1 meter cube. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 cm. So 1 meter cube equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. That equal to 100 cm into 100 cm into 100 centimeter. That equal to 10 lakhs centimeter cube. So 1000 liter equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube, or 1 liter equal to 1000 cm cube. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So that 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube. Now we discuss about area. What is area? The space covered by an object is called area. Its SI unit is meter square. So area, again we classified into the area of regular shape and area of an irregular shape. So area of regular shape, so they have measurable dimension, means length and breadth. They can be calculated by using a formula. Example: square, rectangle, circle, triangle. An irregular shape. An irregular shape do not have measurable dimensions. Only approximate measurement can be done. Example: stone, feather, etc. Now we calculate the area of regular shapes. First one is your square. So a square have length and breadth, but length equal to breadth. Length and breadth both are equal. So area of a square equal to length into length. That equal to L square. A denoted as a length square. And area of a rectangle. A rectangle have length and breadth. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Then area of a triangle. In triangle, it has the base and height. So area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Now area of circle. A circle have the radius. So area of a circle equal to pi r square. R for radius and pi equal to 22/7. And r for radius. Then area of a cuboid. So area of a cuboid equal to 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. For example, find the area of a square which side is 5 centimeter. So area equal to side into side, that equal to 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, that equal to 25 centimeter square. So area of a square is 25 centimeter square. Like that, bit 2, example 2. So side is your 100 centimeter given. So that area of a square equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. that equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So if we want to convert the centimeter into meter, that also possible. Now find the area of a triangle which base is 5 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So area of triangle equal to half into base into height, that equal to half into base is your 5 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. That here 2 will cancel with the 4, 2 2 is 4. So that equal to 10 centimeter square. Now find the area of a circle. Radius is 14 centimeter. So area of circle equal to pi r square. That equal to pi equal to 22/7 into 14 into 14. So that equal to 14. So area of square equal to, now here we cancel 7 to the 14. So 22 into 2 equal to 44. 44 into 14, that equal to 616 centimeter square. Thank you.